Welcome to the chapter, Confusion of the Passive Voice. In English, passive voice is used when the focus is on the action, not the doer. For example, the thief was caught by him. But many people make mistakes, like saying by he instead of by him. In this chapter, we'll learn how to use passive forms correctly and fix common errors. So what is passive voice? It's when the action is more important than the person doing it. It's formed using the verb to be plus the past participle. For example, the letter was written by her. We use passive voice when we don't know who did the action or it's not important, like English is spoken around the world. Let's look at some common mistakes. He was arrested from the police is wrong, we should say by the police. Next, the house built last year is missing the verb was, it should be was built. Finally, the song was sing by her is wrong because to sing must be in the past participle form, sung. These are simple errors you can easily correct. Now let's see how to change a sentence from active to passive. She writes a letter becomes the letter is written by her. They will finish the work becomes the work will be finished by them. To form the passive, remember, subject form of be a past participle by plus do. Let's practice. Number 1, the chef cooked the meal becomes the meal was cooked by the chef. Number 2, he will complete the project becomes the project will be completed by him. Number 3, someone has stolen my phone becomes my phone has been stolen. And number 4, they speak French in Canada becomes French is spoken in Canada. Well done! Let's quickly recap. The passive voice is formed with be plus past participle. Use it when the doer of the action is unknown, not important, or when you want to focus on the action. Make sure to match the verb tense correctly and use the right past participle form. With practice, you'll master this easily. Prepared by K. Rajendra Prasad.